and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. Can I get it a little louder, please? Very good morning to all of you. Awesome. I'm your host, MC Adi, and I welcome you all to the 12th Annual MICE India and Luxury Travel Congress 2025. We are delighted to have you with us as we step into 2 days of rich dialogue, purposeful connections, and unforgettable moments. It's a real privilege to convene such an exceptional gathering of visionaries and trailblazers from the world of MICE and luxury travel. This event is a space of exchanging bold ideas, spark collaborations, and celebrate innovation in our industry. But before we begin, let's pause to sincerely thank the sponsors and partners whose steadfast support has brought this experience to life. Your belief in this platform is deeply valued, and we are truly grateful. Let's show them our appreciation with a warm round of applause. Our platinum partner, Sands Resorts Macau. And keep it going. Our pavilion partners, Jordan Tourism Board, Royal Jordanians, Ajad Tours, Plaza Tours, our gold partners, Brenia Kotefaru, Meetings and Exhibitions Hong Kong, IHG Hotels and Resorts, Royal Caribbean International, our cocktail partners, Taj Citade de Goa Horizon, our silver partners, Abu Dhabi Convention and Exhibition Bureau, Ambience Holidays, Visit Qatar. Our bronze partners, the Biltmore Hotel, Tbilisi, Voyager, Business Events, Sydney, Sydney, Czech Tourism Authority, Czech Tourism, Fashion Arena, Prague Outlet, Dubai Business Events, Japan Dream Tour, Japan National Tourism Organization, JNTO, JTB India Private Limited, Korea Tourism Organization, Kwetu Nairobi Curio Collection by Hilton, MCG Events, wow, Melbourne Convention Bureau, Miral Destinations, Nongping 360, the Oman Convention Bureau, Ocean Park, Hong Kong, Onyx Hospitality Group, Pomperu, Promotion Agency of Peru for Exports and Tourism, Taiwan Tourism Administration, W. Bali Seminyak, our event partner, Occasion Experts Private Limited, our stationery partner and digital invite partner, Akansha Graphic Design Studio, our trophy partner, Benson Trophies and Awards, our engagement partners, Power Spa, India, Praveen Nair Mentalist, and World Vibe, our travel partner, Travel Lounge, our corporate gift partner, Airmark Inc., our photography and videography partner, Jumping Souls. A big thank you to all of you distinguished guests for being part of this year's Congress. Before we jump into today's exciting sessions, let's quickly go over the house rules to ensure everything runs smoothly. Mobile silent. I ask you, as a gesture of business etiquette and showing respect to others, to kindly put your mobile on silent mode. We have a mid-morning coffee break at 10:50 for 10 minutes, followed by pre-scheduled one-to-one meetings and business appointments. MILT Congress is known for fostering collaborations through pre-scheduled one-to-one meetings. Please honor the meeting times given to you in your agenda and engage with all the destinations. If you need assistance with your meetings, the Q&A team is always around to support you. A 5-star luncheon will be served between 13:45 and 14:55 at the BLD restaurant. We will be hosting outside the conference room, and hostesses will usher you towards the lunch area. Over the next 2 days, you will have the chance to win some truly extraordinary escapes, courtesy of our wonderful partners. From sun-kissed beaches in Bali and Mauritius to private island serenity in the Maldives, refined city stays in Bangkok and Prague, and globe-trotting getaways across IHG properties worldwide. These unforgettable experiences are just a few stamps away. Here is how it works. Meet at least 10 partners each day and get your raffle card stamped. Once done, drop your completed card at the registration desk and be present in the room during the raffle draw. You all have your schedules, so you know when the raffle draws are happening. That's all it takes. So, who's ready to jet off to Thailand, Czech Republic, Mauritius, Maldives, and beyond? The best time to explore these dream destinations is now. For your photos, please make full use of technology. Scan this QR code and register to get real-time pictures of yourself. AI is here and you will love this app. I have registered already. Please make sure you also register. You can find this scan code on your badges as well and on your tables. So click, scan, and share. And for social media lovers, you get a chance to show how social you are with our social media hamper. So grab your phone to post it, hashtag it, and share it. The one with the maximum posts or stories on LinkedIn and Instagram will be the Milt social media king or queen. Make sure to use hashtag Milt Congress and to tag @Q&A MLT series when talking about the event on social media. There will be a Q&A session for 5 minutes after every discussion and presentation. So please feel free to ask your questions during that time. However, if a speaker overruns his or her session timings, there will be no room for Q&A to respect the timing and schedule of other speakers. Speaker bios are available for ready reference in the e-brochure. Hence, we will be announcing every speaker with very short introduction. Following the close of today's sessions, we have an amazing, charming cocktail reception hosted by Taj Cidade de Goa Horizon from 6:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. at the C2C restaurant. Enjoy the sea breeze, sunset hues, and warm company as we wind down the day with great conversations and a touch of coastal elegance. If the music calls, feel free to hit the floor. All right then, now that we are all set, let's begin the conference. Shall we? Can we hear it louder? Awesome. So what better way to start the day than with a spark of wonder and touch of the unbelievable? Get ready to experience something truly extraordinary. He has mesmerized the Ambanis, performed for presidents, and wowed audiences on India's Got Talent and TEDx. Not once, but twice. With over 15 years of mind-blowing performances, he is the mentalist trusted by the world's most elite. This morning, he is here to awaken your senses, challenge your reality, and leave you speechless with a spectacular blend of mind reading, hypnosis, and pure magic. Let's kick off Milt 2025 with a bang. Please put your hands together and welcome the incredible Praveen Nair, the mentalist. That was crazy, isn't it? Let's hear it for Praveen once again, guys. I think we couldn't have asked for a better start of the day, and what an electrifying start, Praveen. Thank you so much for captivating us with your unforgettable and nothing short of magical. He didn't just perform, he awakened the room So thank you, Praveen, for leaving us all speechless. And now, moving on to our knowledge sharing session, the powerful fireside chat, a conversation that reimagines the future of MICE through the lens of integrated, immersive experiences. Joining us is our platinum partner, Stephanie Tanpure, Vice President of Sales at Sands Resort, Macau. With over 20 years of experience across top global hotel brands, Stephanie leads sales for Asia's largest integrated resort, overseeing a team across 12 international offices. She is a powerhouse in strategic hospitality, sales, and a key force behind elevating Macau's global MICE appeal. Stephanie, can we have you on the stage, please? Let's hear it a little louder for Stephanie, guys. Come on. All right, so now that we have Stephanie on the stage, there's a surprise waiting for her. And before we invite Aarti on the stage, a little birdie from Macau has told us that it's Stephanie's birthday today, guys. Let's get the cake and sing and wish her a fabulous year ahead. Thank you. What an incredible showcase of destinations. Let's hear it for all the sponsors who showcased their brands today. Thank you once again to all the sponsors. Before you leave for some refreshments, here is a quick reminder to get your real-time pictures and make some noise on LinkedIn and Instagram using our hashtag #MiltCongress. Scan the code and get going. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a short coffee break. Please take this opportunity to enjoy some refreshments and connect with our speakers, partners, and fellow delegates. We kindly request you to be ready by 11:25 to begin your one-to-one business meetings, which will run till 13:40. Following your meetings, you are warmly invited to join us for lunch at BLD Horizon at 13:45. Enjoy a relaxed setting, delicious cuisine, and meaningful conversations with industry peers. But before you go, we will have a quick group picture. So we would request you to please come on the stage after this announcements. Don't leave the room right away. Please return to the Assemblia Ballroom by 1500 as we will be holding an exciting raffle draw. You would win incredible stays in Bali, Mauritius, or Thailand. We look forward to seeing you back on time. Best of luck for the raffle. But before you leave, all right. So we'll leave for the coffee break right now. We'll take the group picture later. See you all again. Thank you.